Tic-Tac-Toe series tutorial part 6. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to create a medium AI uh, to play against, medium difficulty. So first, we need to change the enum to medium. So we set the difficulty to medium, and we need to create a uh, medium mode AI function for our medium AI. It takes two parameters, the same as before, the same as easy. Okay, and next we need to create a definition for it in our CPP file. So let's go back to our AI move function and add a new case for switch. This time it's medium when the A difficulty is medium. So case E AI underscore difficulty medium. Okay, so now actually we need to change the void to a boolean type because we want to return a true or false. I will explain in a bit. So if it's not, if it's medium mode AI, um, let's row column, okay, pass the parameters, and let's go not medium mode, okay, easy mode AI. So if it's not medium mode AI, let's call the easy mode AI. So what basically this means that why you have an error here? No. Okay, so we need to change to boolean also, obviously. So what this means, this function will return true or false based on if the AI detects a potential win for the player or not. So if he detects a potential win for the player, we will return true. Otherwise, we will return false and we will play a random move. However, if it returns true, then the medium mode AI will block the player's winning move. It will place its move, its symbol in the player potential winning cell. Okay, I hope this makes sense because don't worry if it doesn't, because it will make sense once we start scripting. Okay, so first we need to check for all the available cells by doing a for loop by iterating over all the rows and all the columns to check for an empty cell. Okay, so for int row equals 0, row smaller than 3, row plus plus, and now we do a nested loop for the columns. Column smaller than 3, column plus plus. Okay, now we want to find an empty grid if it's empty, an empty cell, sorry. If it's empty, if it's not taken by anyone, we will place our marker, we will place the player's marker here temporarily because the AI will need to check if whenever if the player places his mark here, if the game will be over. Okay, so the AI places temporary the player's mark and uh, it will check if it's a winning move for the player. And if it's true, then it will be returning uh, true and it will block this move by placing its own symbol, which is O. Okay, so check for win, not win, check for win, 1. So we are checking for the player win. If it's true, then we need to set the out row and out column to be equal to this row and this column because later on we need to place the marker in this out row and out column. Okay, and since it's reference by reference, we can populate it since the parameters are declared by reference. Great. Now, next thing we need to do is to remove the grid row column and to undo the move back to 0. so it's not taken anymore. Great. And of course, we need to return. Uh, no, we need to set it to one to -1 actually, because the AI must set his move here. So -1 and return true. That means block it, meaning the AI should block the next player, uh, the next player's cell, move, whatever. Okay. Now, if this, if it doesn't, this move doesn't result in a win for the player, we need to return false. Hence, we play the easy mode move, which is a random move. Okay, else grid draw. Of course, first we need to remove the temporarily move back to 0 and uh, return false. Return false. No blocking was necessary. Play a random move. Okay, finger crossed. This should work now. Okay, successfully. Coding succeeded. Let's try it out. So if I place X here, let's go with, yeah. Yeah, you see he blocked my winning move. If I place it in here, he will place it in the middle up top. Nice. So if I place it, let's place it, actually, let's give it a try and place it, yeah, here. Yeah, you see he will block it. He's just programmed to block it and not win the game. He's just preventing us from winning. Okay, so now it's a draw. However, the hard one will be able to win the game. Okay, to block and to win the game. So let's give it another shot. If I place it, let's place it in here, he will block it. If I place it here, he will block and win. Yeah, nice. So it's an accidental win because he was trying to block me from winning, and he won. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys found it useful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I will get to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. See you next time.